Hello guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today is the 27th of May 2024. As you can see, we're in a different location. I decided to start using different locations to make my video. So we haven't had any video being uploaded about trading for a long while. I had issues with my internet, and yeah, the internet is back up, and slowly we'll start having more viewers on our live stream, and we'll start doing the free analysis live stream that we do every Mondays or Tuesdays once a week during New York sessions for signal analysis. And also, if you want to get the free signals, join the free signal group for 3 months to 12 months for free. Message me try on Telegram, link in description below. So far in the World group, it's a group also where you can make passive income from $3 to $170, and that's just the base level, from 5 minutes to 30 minutes of work a day. It helps you clear your mind so that when you're jumping into the Forex market, you're not choosing bad trades just because you want to make money that day, or you are greedy. You choose the best trades for you, and if you don't see good trades, you choose good trades. We've been making profit there. We have a member that started about 10 days ago with 1,500 so far. They've made their second withdrawal of about almost $700 so far. So if you started when I told you to start, you probably would have made up to about 30 to 40% of your starting funds by now. You know, every day that you wait is a day that is wasted that you could have been making funds. If you started with $90, before the end of 30 days, every day you make money, you can withdraw. I hope you know that. So if you make money today, you can withdraw today. So it's not something that you can't withdraw from. In the group, I show you how to withdraw I withdraw twice a week. So people follow what I do. So as I take profit, they take profit. As we withdraw, all of us receive our funds in our account, and it's just quick passive income for the day. It's another source, and some students take that funds and put it back into their Forex account. So if you make profits, boom, it's extra profits. If you don't, well, you are risking profit. It's money that you gained, that was passive, and the months after that, you don't need to put in money. Months after that, from there you start making only profit with no risk whatsoever. So it's risk-free after a few days. With that being said, today I'm going to take some trades. I'm going to look at the market. I'm going to look for system A trades, for system B trades, and see what the market has for us. If you want to learn how to do this, I teach my students with live funds and live trades. That means if I teach you scalping, I'll take live scalp trades with you. If I teach you hedging, which is my secret strategy, which is what has allowed me to catapult into success very quickly, because it's making profits to cover loss. Using stop loss doesn't work. When you use hedging, it's what the hedge funds use, it's what the banks use. You are making profit to cover loss. I show you how to get the right direction. You get the software with the course. It comes free with the course. It shows you the market direction, long-term, short-term. Shows you where to scalp your trades for system A buys, for system B buys. It literally gives you a lot. And yeah, it shows you everything you need to know. It shows you where to hedge and when to hedge. Because some people, if it goes up a bit, they start buying. If it goes down a bit, they start selling. That's not how the market works. Sometimes if it goes down, it's just short-term, and eventually to continue to go up. And those are the tricks that the software helps you avoid, and it works in real time. So these are the things. You can go to hedgingmastermind.com for free signals. Message me trial on Telegram, link in description below. If you want to join the passive income group, risk-free, continue to make profits. Imagine this going on for years. Let's say you are making passive income of $3,000. You are doing that for years, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Imagine how much you would have made. Every single day you waste is a day that you are not making passive income. Message me wealth on Telegram, link in description below. And we're trying to get our Telegram group to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of the year. Minimum 15,000 members. So click the link in description below, and if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every comment. Like I said, I always reply to every comment on my YouTube channel. Like I said, if you have any questions, just message me on Telegram, link in description below. And yeah, we'll see what trades the market has for us today. Like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, click all the notification bells on, and click all notifications so you don't miss shorts, you don't miss live streams, you don't miss video uploads like this. And if you have any ideas for videos for me to make, maybe you want me to travel to a different country, make videos from there, you want to meet me in person. I also meet my students in person. I have many students that I've met in person. You have a bad account that you're losing and you need help with hedging, just whatever it is, message me on Telegram. And yeah, we'll see what the market has for us today. Like, share, and subscribe. this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, we're still scalping the $10,000 account, and this time I'm going to be taking bigger and bigger scalps because I'm trying to make a lot of profits. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. We started this account with $10,000. We've made almost $4,000 profit so far. I had 1 month where I wasn't able to scalp because I had internet issues, but we're back. The first trade we had was, a hedge. We haven't traded much since, so I'm going to use 30 lot size because I can see a system B sell and a system B buy also. If you want to learn how to scalp, go to hedgingmastermind.com. I teach live with live trades just like this. I share my screen on Zoom, or if you want to meet me in person, I also teach live in person also. And you get the software that does all the analysis for you. It tells you when to buy, when to sell, where to target, where to hedge out your trades, where to exit. I think I've already said this already. It does all the analysis for you in real time. So I'm taking this trade. What I'm going to do is once it gets close to my take profit, I'm going to take some of the profits because I expect the market to still go all the way up. NFP is this week, right? So there will be a lot of consolidations, and also there's a system B buy. So there's a potential for the market to go up for a buy to target that point. And yeah, let's see how the trade goes. So far, we've been scalping the accounts. Our first trade was a hedge. We've been taking system A trades, then we started taking system B trades that have been giving us big profits, big profits. System B trades gives us a lot of big profits, and we had a big hedge also. We had to hedge out $1,000 loss into profits, and then we made a big $1,000 profit on a system B trade, also another big $1,000 profit and another $600 profit so far, and we've made almost $4,000 so far on the account. And yeah, we're gonna keep on growing it. Let's see how much we're gonna be able to make before the end of this month, and let's see how much we'll make next month also. Then I'll make a big withdrawal, and like I said, the next 50 people to join the VIP signal group, you can join it either by joining the World program, where you can make passive income without having any risk. I've already made $170 from less than 30 minutes of work today from my phone. Okay, passive income. I make money every day from Mondays to Saturdays, Sundays, even on the weekends. And I've already withdrawn every single money I invested, and all I've been taking since then is profit. And I'm gonna keep on making $170 for the next few years, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5. Imagine how much I'm gonna be making passively. So this allows me to not take bad trades. This allows me to take only the good trades, only the best trades, only the big trades. That's why I'm targeting this system B trade. If it goes against my way, I'm going to hedge it out. Hedging is one of my biggest key secrets. It's my main secret that has allowed me to be able to compound very well, that has allowed me to be able to grow my account very well. So let's see how this trade goes. Like I said, if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every comment. Like, share, and subscribe. Click all the notification bells on and join the free Telegram group. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of the year. For free signals, message me trial on Telegram, link in description below, and to join the passive income program. Okay, you can make from $3 and invest as little as $85 or $90 and make $3 a day. In less than 30 days, you would have made all your money back, and from there you start making profits. Okay, if you make profit today in the passive income program, you can withdraw your profits today. It's not something where you have to wait till a certain time before you have to withdraw. No, if you make your profits today, you withdraw your profits today. So you can withdraw your profits any day, anytime. Okay, and that's what I did. I made my profits, then I reinvested my money and went and started making more and more money till I was able to start making $170 a day. I have students that are making not students because they're not learning anything. It's very easy. I have members in the World program because I add you to a VIP group. Making $3 to $170 is the base level. Okay, I explain in the group how you can be making from $35 to $15,000 weekly without investing any money. Okay, but you have to put in work. That's just it. So I explained that in the group, but the base level is making $3 to $170 every single day, including Saturdays and Sunday, passively. 5 minutes to 30 minutes work. Message me Word on Telegram for that. And let's see how this trade goes. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back soon. All right, guys, we're back. Just like I said, we're getting closer and closer to take profit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 20 lot size out of that profit. and I'm gonna let the rest run. When it gets closer to take profits, I will close that profit. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells below, and let's see how much more profits we're gonna make. I closed about $150 to $180 right now, partially, and yeah, we'll be right back. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, we're back again. Just like I said, I knew the market was gonna go up because there was a system B buy. I explained this in the course, which you can get in hedgingmastermind.com. There was a system B buy. The market has gone all. Let me just change this to the 5 minutes time frame. It's stalling a bit. Okay, the market has hit that point on the 5 minutes time frame, the system B. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another sell, right? Because my trade is still valid. It got very close to hitting my take profit, but hasn't. And we'll use that as an extra trade. Okay, I usually tell students not to take this kind of trade, like, because it has high risk. However, when you have experience and you know how to hedge, the more you hedge, the better you get, and you need experience for that. You can take trades with more risk like this. We've locked in $180 so far, and we're going in for the trade again. So we'll be right back very soon when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. If it doesn't go our way, we'll hedge it. We've already made some profits. If we hedge it, we're losing nothing. But I think it's gonna hit the take profits. We'll be right back soon. Like, share, and subscribe. Make a comment below. See you guys soon. And there you go, guys. We're back. Today is the 28th of May. And our take profit has been hit. It was a bit late, but at the end of the day, we were able to make some profits. So in total, we made about $650. The 20 lot size I took extra gave me $325. The other 10 lots gave me $140 or $145. In total, we made about $650 plus the 2 passive income, because yesterday I made $170, today I made another $170. That's $340. So in total, I made $1,000. $340 from passive income program that I did from my phone. It took me less than 30 minutes, which you can join by messaging me Wealth on Telegram. And if you want to test the signals for 3 to 12 months for free, message me trial on Telegram. Most of my programs are free. The free Telegram group for signals is free. The Wealth program is free to join. Okay, it's free to join the VIP group. And even if you join the Wealth program, and I know you will make profits, and that means I'll just give you access to the VIP Telegram group, because I'm sure you will make profits. Because every week we are always withdrawing. When I withdraw, I tell the group to withdraw, and I give them some more information on how they can make more and more passive income from the program. And I always encourage them to take their profits and put it also in their trading account and take my free signals to make some more and more extra money. And that is how you build wealth. That is how you keep on getting richer and making more money and more money and more money. $1,000 in 2 days, $340 from passive, $650 from foreign exchange markets. If you want to learn how to do this, message me on Telegram. Make sure to join the free Telegram group, also link in the description below. And we'll be right back with another trading videos soon and another passive income video soon. See you guys soon. Hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead with NFP.